Right, welcome back to Shed Tune and welcome to the corporate HQ where all the magic happens. This is where we design new t-shirts. As you can see, all the new designs are out and about. This is where the magic happens for the editing of the videos. First off though, I've had some new stickers in. Old Git Scooter Club South London, thank you very much. We'll put them on the sticker board when I get over to the workshop. But in the meantime, we're going to continue with part 3 of the TS1 cheap engine build. These are the designs for the t-shirts, and don't forget there's a link in the description if you want to get some merchandise to support our channel. We've got the classic designs. Actually that's a new one, you can't see that. Just hang that up there. But that's one of the most popular designs. The brand new Shed Tune Speed Shop, etc. All available in our Etsy shop, link in the description. So do us a favour, support the channel. We don't make a lot out of this, but it does help us carry on with the projects and obviously for you lot to have a laugh. So go and buy one. For those of you that have been watching the channel for a while, you'll know that we were asking you to email in. Well, the email's all gone Pete Tong because for some reason we can receive them but we can't send them. So we're knocking that on the head for a minute. But we did get this lovely scooter emailed in from John Roger. I won't read it all out, I'll put it up on the screen in a minute, but basically he said, how are we doing? He's called himself Jock, here from Scotland, watching your channel. He likes the fact that we're not too serious about stuff, so appreciate that. From the Twilight Zone SC in Fife, Scotland. Well, appreciate you sending that in. That's his dad's scooter that you can probably see on the screen right now. Got any other pictures of scooters? Ping them in and we'll feature them on the channel. Cheers.
Off to work now.
Ooh, ha, 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 ha. Yes, he's gone, which means the dishwasher is mine. We're back in the garage. Look, some more bits I've picked up for the build. Looks rubbishy at the moment, but a bit of welding on there, fixing on there. We'll paint them, they'll come out brilliantly. Got the pair a tenner. Alright, I've cleaned a bit of space and I've got my tabletop engine degreaser because I want to get all the bits of swarf and as much crap off of this before it goes into the vapour blaster. Because I don't want all the bits of swarf going through the vapour blaster, so I'm going to give it a clean in there using some good old-fashioned gunk. As you can see, it doesn't fit very well into the tabletop degreasing thing, but I do have some aerosol so that we can get at them. Give it a little bit of a work over. Guys, like the more crap you can get off now, the less likely the wife's going to find out that it's been through the dishwasher. And that is the key. Right, I found the brush. It's the only one I could find. That one out the bathroom. Oh well. She won't mind. I'll clean it up, put it back. Hope you like me singing. Get all the crud off of this. And then, once we've got it all nice and clean, obviously we can paint it. I'll tell you what, these nail brushes, bloody good for cleaning engines. Right, so that's as clean as I can get that. Bit of a stain here, but we'll soon see if the vapour blaster gets rid of it. And apart from that, it's pretty clean now. Right, let's go and load it up and put it on 70. Next part of my process, hot soapy water, just give it a bit of a rinse before it goes in the vapour blaster. Right, that'll do. I don't want to waste too much time on it. The dishwasher needs to be completely empty, top tray, bottom tray, and have a setting on it, oops, of 70. See that? Because that's going to get rid of all the grease and oil off the engine case. Now obviously my wife's gone to work, as you've just seen, so she's never going to know. Don't laugh, because if you tell her, you're dead. Just noticed that this head needs a clean, and quite handily these little tabs fold down to stand it upright to get right inside the fins of the head. The case can go down there, and obviously, you know, I'm not a cheapskate. I'm going to put a dishwasher tab in just to make sure that it cleans properly. There we go. What are we on now? On 70. Oh no, we've got to do that program thing, haven't we? 70. Right. We'll see it in a bit. The beeper's gone off, so that means it's done. Jesus Christ, it stinks. Oh shit. Nice and clean now. And hot. Very hot. Stunning, but smelly. Well pleased with that. That's come out really, really well. Does stink a bit in the kitchen, but I'll open the windows. My next job to do before we paint is mask all the bits and pieces up, which is going to take a bit of time because obviously I only want to get the cases painted, not everything else. Holy cow, that's taken forever to mask everything up, ready to be sprayed. But I think it'll turn out all right. Anyway, only one way to find out, and that is to spray it. Right, so I think we're going to start with this bit first. Let's just see how we get on. Just give it a dust coat to start with. Obviously, if you've seen some of my previous spraying, you'll be laughing your head off at this. That's that all painted. We're going to have to wait for that to dry and see how it's come out. Maybe do some touching up or a second coat, we'll see. Apart from that, you lot are going to have to wait as well, because that's it for this video. Don't forget, if you like what we're doing, give it a like, a thumbs up, helps with the channel. Subscribe, keep coming back for more, send stuff in, photos, images, whatever. And don't forget, t-shirts, link in the description if you want some merchandise. That's it from me. See you soon.